This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules.
Amid shutdown, curfew-like restrictions were imposed by the government in 7 police stations area in Srinagar to prevent protesters called by the joint resistance leadership against the killing of a youth in forces firing on Tuesday. The police stations including Nauhata, Ranawari, Khaniar, Amarganj, Kralkhot, Maisuma and Safakadl. Restrictions under Section 144 of the Code of Criminal Procedure were also imposed in district headquarters of Anantnag, Shopian, Pulwama, Kulgam, Baramulla, Badgam, Ganderbal, Bandipora and Kupwara. The Hurriyat have called for general shutdown and protests against the killing of Adil Farooq Magre of Ganaupora village in Shopian, who was killed when protesters clashed with the forces to disrupt an anti-militancy operation in the village on Tuesday. All educational institutions, including colleges and schools, have also been closed across the Kashmir Valley to prevent protesters by the students. Train services between Baramulla and Bannihal town have also been suspended, while Hurriyat senior leader Said Ali Shah Gilani continued to remain under house arrest. Mirwais Umar Farooq was placed under house arrest early today. Liberation Front chairman Yasin Malik has gone in hiding as he plans to lead the protest in Lal Chowk, reports said. Heavy deployment have also been put in place where restrictions have not been imposed. Authorities have already suspended 3G and 4G mobile internet services in the valley and reduced the speed of fixed landline broadband facilities. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.